everyone, this is Shal, and taking one of the most contentious issues that has been sparking debate, especially in the northern India, that is the religious places of worship. As seen in the news, that recently a communal spark somewhere originated in the Sambhal district of Uttar Pradesh. And what was the leading factor that led to this particular incident was the ASI survey of a communal site. Now, before we go into that, let us identify what is the major problem. India is the land of multi-plurality. There are multiple religious denominations as well as the institution that has been existing over a period of the time. But what happened somewhere during the medieval phase of the Indian history, Indian subcontinent, the ancient culture of India, no doubt it was Sanatani practices, it came into interaction with some of the cultures that were emerged in the Arabian Peninsula. Like one of them was the Islam. So whenever some of the Islamic invader, I'm calling the sense he might be having a religious affiliation to a particular religion, but he came in form of an invader. And whenever something by the name of invasion happens anywhere in any part of the world, the first thing that happens, it's not just territorial expansion or the territorial invasion, but cultural assertion. Whenever some king, emperor, or any invader, whenever he annexes some territory, he not only tries to destroy or demolish the old institution, but he simply wants to assert his own cultural identity or the one to which he belongs to. And the same thing happened during the some of the medieval phase of the history, like taking case of the Babar. When Babar invaded India on invitation of no doubt Maharana Sangha and Daulat Lodi, so the first battle of Panipat happened in the year 1526. Now, the first mosque that was commissioned by Babar was at Panipat by the name of Kabuli Bagh Mosque. When he moved towards Sambhal, the western Uttar Pradesh part, there also a similar thing happened that an old temple belonging to, it is claimed that it belonged to Vishnu, Harihar temple. And it is believed that Sambhal is also believed to be the birthplace of the 10th incarnation of Vishnu by the name of Kalki. So a temple was there, it was also demolished, and a mosque was constructed there by the name of Shahi Jama Masjid. Now the same thing was repeated at Ayodhya too, where there was a Ram Janmabhoomi temple, and same thing happened there also. So Babur basically commissioned the three mosques by demolishing the old religious institution of the Indian subcontinent, let's say the Hindu temples. And a similar thing happened during the Sultanate phase when Qutbuddin Aibak, when he demolished the 27 existing Hindu and the Jain temples in Delhi, somewhere near Mehrauli, and Qutbuddin complex was killed, like the Quwwatul Islam Mosque. The second such thing happened at the outskirts of Ajmer, where there was some old, educational institute which was commissioned earlier or constructed by uh, Raja Vigrah Raj Vishaldev. So that too was